What's the meaning of Cluedo? Cluedo. Cluedo.
Cluedo. Cluedo. Cluedo is a murder mystery board game originally created in the UK by Anthony E. Pratt in 1949. The name Cluedo is a combination of the words clue and ludo, which means I play in Latin. The objective of the game is to solve the murder of Mr. Body, in which players must deduce who the murderer is, what weapon was used, and where the crime took place. The game has since become a classic and has been adapted into various forms of media, including movies and television shows.